Hey friends, this is Naresh Mathur. You may be like struggling with your time management and all these things, and maybe you'll be asking me that Naresh, give me some tips to increase my productivity. How can I do more things in a less time? But hey, you really want to increase your productivity? Yes, then definitely I can help you. And I can give you three tips. What are these three tips? Let me tell you one by one. Number one, try to list down all the tasks which is having high value. First, note down all the tasks. In the last previous video I have just told you that you need to list down all the tasks that you are going to do today and tomorrow. Today I'm telling you the tip number one is that you need to pick the high value which is having the highest result bearing task, like which can give you the revenue of it or which can give you the highest satisfaction. If that is not done, then you are not going to get that real happiness, that real joy, real pleasure. So you need to pick those high value tasks which can drive the revenue, which can drive the your day, which can create the real value in it. So pick those. It can be 20%. Pick those high value tasks, 20%, 30%, whatever. Pick all the one. Then tip number two, you need to see which are the tasks that has to be done by you and only you can do it and nobody else. I repeat, what are the tasks that only you can do and nobody else? That you need to pick the one. Maybe there were total 5 in the tip number 1. In tip number 2, maybe you come up with the 3 or 4. Okay, 3. Let's take 3. Now tip number 3, you need to pick the one which at this point of time has to be done. At this point of time, not later. Now which the task you need to do at this hour, and pick maybe it is 1 or 2, and that way you need to do it, and you'll see that by the end of the day you are having maximum satisfaction that you have done the work, and your productivity will increase high. I hope you like it. Let's recall. Tip number 1, list down all the tasks which is having highest value, highest activities, highest reward, which can give you that satisfaction. From there, tip number 2, list down the tasks which only you can do it. The rest all can be delegated, so only you can do it. Okay, and tip number 3, pick the one which at this point of time has to be done at this hour, and this way your whole day will be utilized in a very proper way and you'll feel the sense of joy. Try it out and just comment how you feel when you try this. Try next day and see, and do comment here. I'll always be there. I'll be happy to share, reply you. I feel pleasure that when I reply you. So thank you so much. This is Naresh Mathur signing off. Bye bye, take care.